dreams come true. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. And I wonder if you know.
What's good, babes? I am back with a new hair unboxing video. I will be reviewing one of WESTKISS units called Jacinth in copper red. So shipping took about 2 weeks. Absolutely am a fan of the bag that they put everything in. Absolutely love the bonnet. It comes in my favorite color. And it also comes with wig caps, lashes, an adjustable band or strap for you to tie down your edges. And this is my unit. So the cap construction is a size medium, and she has 3 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, and she is a 5x5 closure. So it's time to put this bad baby on. I am just going to put on a wig cap and just place a little powder before my install.
And I wonder if you know what you mean.
I'm also putting a little bit of powder into my lace, that where the lace can blend in with my complexion as well. And I am just going to put her on. I'm so amazed of the colors in this unit and how vibrant the wig is. Literally, the wig came exactly like this. I didn't do the wig, honey. The wig is doing me. Okay, period. So it is time to style the hair. So the curls came in really beautiful in this unit, but I am going to style her a bit. So I'm just going to take my waxing stick and I'm just going to go in the roots, make sure we get this wig nice and flat. So I'm just going in with my hot comb, just flattening up the top some. I'm probably just going to leave this unit as a natural hairline. I'm not going to pull out any baby hairs for the unit. So I'm getting ready to style my hair. So I am just parting small pieces, and I will be taking my curling iron by Revlon, and I am just curling up my unit. The hair is absolutely soft, and no, I have not received any shedding from this unit at all as I was styling this hair. And this hair holds up a curl really good. I'm really impressed with that. So yeah, this wig is definitely 12 out of 10. The color is popping. I totally love the lace. The lace is completely natural, and the hair is so easy to curl, and the curls hold really good. So I'm going to finish styling this perfection of a wig, and I will be right back when I'm done with the results.
Hey, look. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. Leading to so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. What? Go to the drink. What else are they gonna play? Side and niggas won't take. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. Everybody watch the same. I'm having gallery 11, no talking, we smashing. Smash one the classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I piped it, then pipe the bitch up for some action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. I don't even flinch, this shit be on accident. Fell in my lap, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot at some point, this shit accurate. Go to the Drake, what else are they gonna play? It's high, and niggas won't take. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. And like the third nigga, I take.
So now that I am done styling the wig, this is she. Child, if it ain't giving Faith Evans, I don't know what it is. This is totally giving Nicki Minaj from like, what, 09? Probably 2010, 2011 Nicki when she used to do the colorful wigs. So now I'm just taking a razor and I am just cutting the lace. And I just want you to literally pay attention to the lace and how you can't even see it at all. Like, I'm so amazed how natural this wig is just sitting on my head. And she's not even glued. I have not glued her. I'm not going to. She's completely glueless and she is just laid. I mean, just fried, dyed, laid to the side. And this is the final results. Child, she is giving. I absolutely love the colors. It's going really good with everything that I got going on. I mean, this red lip, the hair, the lashes. I mean, it's serving. It really is. And I decided to top this off with a leather jacket, my red bra, and it's just giving hot head. I'm definitely looking like a sexy villain right now. I'm really feeling this. It's totally giving fire. And I love the two-tone type of orange red that it got going on in the wig. Totally give this a 12. I mean, this unit is super gorgeous, the most natural looking unit I've ever seen in a long time. But this is a cute 14-inch bob. I will make sure to have the link down in the description below, including my discount code. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel and click that bell. That way you're notified whenever I make a new video. And until next time, love and light.